Makosi, I always get worried when we play back to back on unfamiliar days and dates. We played on Friday, and we made sure that Durban was lit, gold and black. Now, it is unfamiliar still. We've played on Tuesdays, but it remains unfamiliar. So I'm reminding you that we're playing at FNB Stadium tomorrow. We are welcoming Orbit College in a Betway Premiership match. Please, come one, come all. We're looking forward to a great game. We've been painting stadiums gold and black all over the show. We've done well at FNB Stadium, by the way, this season. And we've started the season very well, comparatively.
Oh, yes!
Sami Bonani, welcome to the show. Remember to give it a like and remember to subscribe. Sizokhuluma ngaso starting lineup sayo Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs versus Orbit College dlalela laphayana FNB Stadium tonight. So yeah, guys, let us talk about the potential starting lineup or the possible starting lineup. You can drop yours on the comments section below. But before, guys, don't go anywhere. I would just like us to go through the latest news involving Kaizer Chiefs Football Club. Kaizer Motaung Jr., following the draw, the CAF Confederations Cup draw, Lapayana Nibonile, Kaizer Chiefs in what is the group of death with two Egyptian giants in the name of Zamalek and Al Masry, and also with the giants of Zambia is Zesco United. Kaizer Junior Motaung has welcomed that group or that draw, and he is rather happy to say that, saying that they're traveling to Egypt. They are very happy because they know that they're going to get first-class facilities in Egypt. Or maybe laphayana West Africa nase Central Africa, perhaps izinto ezifana ne-food poisoning ngeke zenzakale Egypt. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs will have it easier in terms of planning logistics laphayana, having to navigate laphayana Egypt, and has also welcomed the short flight to Zambia to play against Zesco United. Zesco yayishaya Kaizer Chiefs 5-2 on their way to knocking them out. If you remember, guys, Kaizer Chiefs, they signed Lokuzana, Lazarus Kambole from that team. Lazarus Kambole wadlalela Kaizer Chiefs after that defeat. So yeah, Zamalek also shy Kaizer Chiefs in 1993 on away goals rule. So Kaizer Chiefs have unfinished business with both Zamalek and with Zesco United. So Kaizer Chiefs will be hoping to make history for the first time in this competition or in this current format and go to the group stages of the CAF Confederations Cup. Lupopo have filed a complaint against the Orlando Pirates. Lupopo, but Orlando Pirates isebenzisa ama-substances, black sciences substances laphayana Orlando kuma-change house. But Orlando Pirates lawyer. Yeah, that is not me. That is the official complaint filed by Lupopo against Orlando Pirates. But Orlando Pirates be lawyer laphayana Orlando Stadium. Hi guys, drop your thoughts on comments regarding that one. Kruger United, George Maluleke. Yamkhumbula George Maluleke wadlalela Kaizer Chiefs. Wasuka Kaizer Chiefs waya kuMamelodi Sundowns. Plays for Kruger United in the Motsepe League, and he is considering retirement. George Maluleke. I think now he is 35 and he's gonna be 36. So yeah, I think that's all he wrote. That is his career. He has come to its twilight. George Maluleke. Silva Flavio Silva has been called up to the Guinea-Bissau striker. Mbonile Lapayana has got 3 goals, and 2 goals have been winners for Kaizer Chiefs. He also got that crucial winner for Kaizer Chiefs against Devon City. So yeah, don't go anywhere. We'll talk about that lineup. Ngimfakile noSilva lineup. So don't go anywhere, guys. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe as well. Kaizer Chiefs versus Orbit College. The injuries, 7 players got injured recently. Mina ngazi mina amaplayer angaka wayalimala ejimini. Kanti amaplayer I think it's a sign for, when players are competing against each other. Kaizer Chiefs, they did well in the off season to buy quality players, and manje ama-players sewayahlabana ejimini because there's a lot of injuries laphayana ejimini. I think it's because of competition for places. That's my opinion, guys. So what do you guys think? The likes of Abo Chislet, you'll remember Abo Chislet, he was on the bench and on the verge of getting into the starting lineup. Walimala. Flavio Silva, the same thing happened to him after to Cora, that first goal for Kaizer Chiefs, Walimala foot, and they came back, Wakora, and last game, he came back, Wakora. Roshin Totally, 2 weeks left for him. He has recovered, however, he is in the final stages with the rest of the team. However, his partner in central defense, Kevin Msimang, he has recovered, a trainer, and he is ready to play. And I think he will be on the bench tonight, considering Inacio Miguel is suspended for this game. Khanyisa Mayo is still out, so don't expect to see Mayo just yet. I did tell you guys, Mayo, that hamstring will take about 4 weeks. So I think now we are counting 2 weeks counting. I think maybe, in my opinion, 2 to 3 weeks. That is Khanyisa Mayo. And then Alexander Cole, former Kaizer Chiefs midfielder, former veteran Kaizer Chiefs midfielder, says that he considers his spell with Kaizer Chiefs as a failed one because he couldn't make the most of the chances and the resources that he had. Lapayana Kaizer Chiefs, he says, I played small at Kaizer Chiefs. I couldn't handle the pressure. In 2 seasons, Cole, he made 28 appearances for Kaizer Chiefs. Golden Arrows' Mangoba Mngeti says that they are not letting their success go to their heads. Yabona Lapayani Golden Arrows in the league, they are doing very well. Bashaye, a recent 4-0 win says that they need to remain grounded. They are also in the semi-final Lapayana Carling Cup, that is Mangoba Mngeti's Golden Arrows, and he says that they will not let the success or the early success in the project, they won't let it go to their heads. So good luck to Golden Arrows on Mangoba Mngeti. And then Rele Mbuhile Mufukeng and Tsehofaso Mabasa are unhappy at Orlando Pirates. Tsehofaso Mabasa wants to leave Orlando Pirates. Mabasa, he was once the leading goal scorer Lapayana League. He was the leading goal scorer Lapayana Orlando Pirates, and the new coach is not playing him. Sometimes it does not even make the team. The player is unhappy at Orlando Pirates, and his team has said that Mabasa kajabulanga ufuna ukuhamba laphayana Orlando Pirates. You know that when players are not playing vele, that is bound to happen. And another one that is unhappy because of that failed transfer to Saudi Arabia. Another one, I think it was Belgium. And those ones, we all know those rumors about Barcelona. That is Relebohile Mufukeng. He's not happy with Mufukeng, Lapayana Pirates. Naye bathi ufuna ukuhamba. Inside sources bathi Mufukeng, he is faking an injury, trying to force a move in January. Orlando Pirates are sitting on a 40 million offer for Mufukeng. So angazi mina ke ubabakhe uzothini. I think Mufukeng sekanayo i-agent manje, and he is poised to make that move away from Orlando Pirates, that is uRahile Mofokeng. Right, guys, asikhulumeni-ke indaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Orbit College tonight. Very, very crucial game for Kaizer Chiefs. Sibonile Kaizer Chiefs last season behluleka ukuthatha ama-3 points from small teams, especially earlier on in the season when they had to catch up with Mamelodi Sundowns, or when they had to win bangene laphayana ku-top 3. Kaizer Chiefs could not collect the points and they used to choke. So we don't know, this is the crucial game, and I hope the co-coaches will divert pressure away from themselves and the fact that they are inexperienced at this level by winning this game. Otherwise, if they fail to win this game, we will start hearing comments which are the coaches are inexperienced and all those things. So I have put together a very, very attacking starting lineup for the coaches. I hope they're going to use this lineup, and drop your thoughts on comments, or drop your own lineup on comments and tell me what do you think about this one. In goal, Brendan Peterson, 9 clean sheets in 13 games. He starts. And then Simbonile Lapayano Solomons, he was substituted in the last game. That is with Dylan Solomons. He has been doing well, and we don't know what led to him to being subbed in that game. Simbonile Umonyane Angena. I think maybe they were preparing him for the Orbit College game. Remember that Saleng factor. Saleng, I think, is called a brace, so they need someone who is defensively solid on the right side. So Thabiso Monyane fills in at right back, and then Inacio Miguel is suspended for this game. So Zita Kunika comes in for the suspended Miguel, and then Eden McCarthy goes in and pairs with Kunika, and Bradley Cross completes that lineup laphayana ku-back 4. Then esiswini siku-Enkara Umthethwa, because this is a very attacking lineup. We need Umthethwa to anchor the back 4. And then Usirinho Nongobo, they will fill in. Besides him, Umshini will be assisting Umthethwa, and he will be creating that creative element for Kaizer Chiefs, that is Ungobo. And then Usirinho, he provided that assist for Flavio Silva in the last game, so he is being rewarded with a starting path, that is Gaston Sirinho. And also Vilagazi, the front 3 on the right side of the attack, we have Vilagazi. And then on the left side, we have Lilepo Lapayana, position. That position is usually filled by Umodi. Lilepo goes to that side to assist Silva in terms of the striking options. And then the Silva Mbonile, guys, the last game Ukorile. So when a striker, whenever he comes in and he scores, he deserves to start. So Silva is going to be rewarded with a starting path. Probably Igodaro will come in if Silva iyamsinda game, and then sizobona Lokuzana Igodaro angena for Silva. That is the starting lineup, guys. Kaizer Chiefs versus Orbit College. Possibly Kaizer Chiefs might win a late game, is over equal on points ne Mamelodi Sundowns. So very crucial game for Kaizer Chiefs. Remember to give the show a like. We've come to the end. Thank you so much.
Yes!